All right, so we have no actual game plan with this, but we are starting a vlog so that we can share more behind the scenes of what goes on in our day-to-day, our life, living in Tulum, doing UGC full-time, launching a business, operating a business, and having fun along the way. We figured we'd launch now because we happen to be going on a work trip with a group of friends to shoot at a beautiful villa in Bacalar, Mexico. We're actually grabbing a bus right now. We're going to be shooting content there for villas and experiences in Bacalar. We have a bunch of things planned. Bear with us while we figure this out because we don't fully know what we're doing yet, but I gotta go because I have anxiety. Wow, look at that cactus. Oh, like a vine.
Whoa. So far, Bacalar is so cozy, so tranquil.
Something different out here. You already know. Nigga really is from the block though. Top down. But you ain't never heard shit like this. Top down. Pull up with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Roll up with the top down. Roll it. Roll up with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch, roll up with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. You ain't got no idea. Guess I gotta teach ya. Top down through the streets here. You think she ain't on a leash here? Baby, you know what it is. Know you a sleeper, but you know they love a creeper. Don't be shy with your features. Top down. Top down, with my niggas and your bitch, roll up with the top down. See me wrong with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch, roll up with the top down. Roll it, roll up with the top down. Tell you man, you better pipe down. See me wrong with the top down.
We just had the best morning sunrise coffee experience. We were sitting here watching the sun come up on the rooftop, and a family of monkeys went running through the trees behind us. They're so heavy that when they jump on the trees, like the trees make a noise. And yeah, that was just...
The mom was carrying a little baby.
We saw a mom with a little baby. We literally saw them swinging through the trees, which you never see in Tulum. You really don't see monkeys, so that was so special. And it's so quiet up here, like, it was magic.
the time we're done with all this, I wonder how